Hey everyone! The holidays are here, and what better way to celebrate than with a decadent, delicious dessert? Today I'm making a classic cheesecake with cranberry compote, the perfect centerpiece for your festive table. Let's get started. First, the crust. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a greased 9-inch springform pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes and let it cool. Easy, right? Now, for the cheesecake filling. Beat 4 packages of softened cream cheese with 1 1/4 cups of sugar until smooth and creamy. Add 1/2 cup of sour cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 4 large eggs one at a time, beating on low speed to avoid overmixing. Pour this luscious filling over your cooled crust and smooth the top. Here's a pro tip. Place the springform pan in a water bath. This ensures even baking and prevents cracks. Bake for 65 minutes until the edges are set but the center jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool for an hour. Then transfer to the fridge to chill completely, at least 4 hours or overnight. While the cheesecake chills, let's make the cranberry compote. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of cranberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, and a pinch of cinnamon if you like. Cook over medium heat until the cranberries burst and the mixture thickens, about 8-10 minutes. Let it cool to room temperature. Finally, it's assembly time. Spoon the cranberry compote over the chilled cheesecake. Add some whipped cream or extra orange zest for that festive touch. There you have it. A classic cheesecake with cranberry compote that's sure to impress your guests. Perfect for any holiday gathering. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Happy holidays and happy baking!